My style is minimal. I tend to stick to solid colors and don't wear prints, but I will wear a small stripe. So today, I'm going to show you how to style stripes for spring. Before we begin, let's do something fun. It's a tradition here on YouTube to comment where you're commenting from, and I love reading how many countries and where everybody lives. So in your comment, make sure you tell me where you're commenting from. So the first outfit today is just a simple neutral striped popover, knit popover with a white denim skirt. And this denim skirt, it's still a mini skirt, but it's a petite length and it comes right above my knee. As a midlife woman, I'm not totally crazy about showing my legs these days. I have some tips and tricks coming to help that make it a little easier for us, but I think this is a good length given my current age and the state of my legs. They aren't what they used to be. At any rate, I've added a small 1-inch kitten heel for lift with this outfit, and it's a very springy summer look. And while we're on the subject of changing midlife bodies, filming this video was the first time I've been conscious about the way my upper arms look. And I hear from a lot of you that want to know how to style your arms in spring and summer. This is a good option, this flutter sleeve, because it covers the upper arm but still allows air to move around those places. And I've paired this flutter sleeve blouse with a pair of pinstripe culottes. Gives it that easy, breezy, coastal casual spring vibe. This is a good time for me to point out that you can shop these outfits one of 3 ways. But before I go over that, you don't have to shop anything. The purpose of this whole account is to show you how to shop your closet first. And after you've evaluated what's already in your closet, it's totally okay to supplement your wardrobe from there. But if you do want to shop, some of these items are linked directly in the description below. If you're watching on TV, just click on the little shopping bag icon. You can also shop by scanning the QR code, and there is a link in the description as well. Now, I don't know how it looks on your screen, but both of these pieces are navy blue and not black. Navy blue is the absolute hardest color to photograph, so that's why it may look black on your screen. But it's just a simple knit popover in the maritime style with very, very comfortable cotton crop pants. And I've offset the blue by pairing it with brown cognac. One of my favorite color pairings is navy blue and white with brown cognac accessories. We see that brown again here in this straw market tote. A very maritime, nautical, coastal casual look here. And this t-shirt here might be my favorite purchase of spring so far. It's neutral beige and white stripe. It's very lightweight, but not see-through, and incredibly comfortable. Here I've just front tucked it and paired it with a pair of linen crop pants. And again, I'm going with the brown cognac accessories to add a little depth and dimension to the outfit. This whole outfit here has that coastal casual, pardon me while I cringe, coastal grandmother feel, because I hate the name. I love the look and hate the name. I've done an entire video on it for you to scroll back through. Those of us that live in coastal areas, whether it's lake or ocean, have been dressing in this style for years, and we did not need the fashion industry to come up with such a cringe-worthy name to label our style. It's coastal casual. That's what it is. This might be one of my favorite purchases of the spring. It is a very lightweight but not see-through neutral and white or beige and white striped t-shirt that I've simply paired with a pair of beige linen pants and offset the neutral colors that sometimes wash out with the brown slip-on sandals. I live in linen in the summer, so if linen's not for you, I'm sorry. Yes, wrinkles are a part of it, but it's a very lightweight, breathable fabric that allows air to flow around your skin. And I love this. So most of the outfits today in the photos after the segment, I'm showing you how to style that item a couple of different ways to give you some ideas on how to use what's already in your closet. What I love most about this red striped tank dress is that it is not fitted. These days, with most of the tank dresses like this, they're fitted or bodycon. And as a midlife woman, I just definitely don't want to wear anything that fitted. This also allows air to move around the skin, which is more desirable in summer and late spring anyways. But here we go. I am not crazy about how it looks with my arms, so I am going to pair this fitted denim jacket with it to cover my arms. It also adds more interest to the look as well. And I paired it with a pair of sparkly sandals. If you've ever heard of the 3-color rule, it's a fashion rule that says no outfit should have more than 3 colors in it. So here I have red, white, and denim blue. I added the texture of the bag so that I'm not too matchy-matchy with my outfit here, and sparkly sandals so that I'm not too many colors in this outfit as well. Here is another version of that t-shirt I love so much that I showed you a moment ago, except it's baby blue and white stripe. I just have it tucked here on the hip. I tried full tucking, that didn't look right. Wearing it out didn't look right. Just to give it a little, to balance out the proportions and give it that casual feel, you can also use fashion tape to draw up your shirts and blouses as well without actually tucking and creating the bulk in the midsection area that tucking creates. And these crop pants are cotton and oh so comfortable. They're the same crop pants as the navy and white striped outfit a moment ago. Very comfortable. And again, this outfit is in that coastal casual style that I'm so fond of, especially for spring and summer. In general, I am not a fan of gauzy shirts and dresses. This one is the exception. It's something in the texture for those that I just don't like, but this is just a very light gauzy feel to this button-up shirt. And instead of tucking to even out the proportions, I've just tied it at the waist. Now the blue pants that I'm wearing, blue linen pants here, are from last season, but I am linking to a similar pair that is the same color. So it's from the same vendor, just a different season and a slightly different style. But again, this is that coastal casual cringe, here I go, coastal grandmother look again. And I'll show you some other ways to style it in just a minute to give you some ideas on how to style what's already in your closet. And for the final outfit, I am styling a striped muscle tank is the name for it, but it's knotted on the waist. And the knot on the waist is great if you're trying to work around your midlife midsection because you don't have to tuck it, but it still gives you some definition at the waist area. And I've paired it with a simple pair of white linen crop pants. These are very inexpensive if you're looking for a pair and still very good quality. Now let's add a little more interest to this outfit with the light wash fitted denim jacket. And I love how this look comes together, pairing it with a black and straw market tote. And this might be my favorite outfit of the entire grouping here today. I'm showing you 9 outfits, plus the bonus outfits are ways to style it after every look. And I hope you love these as much as I do. Until we meet again, my friends.